Hey! Yeah, we are as tired as we look.
Yeah, very tired.
Extremely tired.
You would be tired.
I
don't
am
know.
tired.
I don't know. I don't even know why I'm tired. I mean, okay.
We were on the ground from the morning.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we reached the ground half an hour after our reporting time.
But still. I mean,
Yeah, but still nothing had started, so it
Yeah.
doesn't really matter. Then we won our first match 2-0, so yay!
Yes. But then.
But then it started raining.
Really hard.
Really hard. We have okay, that's a surprise in the end of this whole thing.
One thing, I got really hyper.
Yeah, it was amazing. Everybody was taking pictures and videos and
You know
everything.
what though? Before it started raining, it got really windy.
Yeah.
And our ground, right? It wasn't a proper football ground.
It was like sandy. It was very
yeah.
sandy.
Like a beach except for hard sand.
Yeah.
And no water. The sea, I mean.
Yeah.
So when it started, when it got windy, it got
It
so
was
windy
like a
that it was
cyclone.
yeah, exactly. But it was like really cool. I could not get any pictures of that too because I'm not a good photographer.
Neither am I. But I'm sure somebody or the other would have got
Yeah.
it. And if we get our hands on them, we'll add them in this video. And then
It rained.
drum roll. Yes, it rained. That was not the drum roll. It was for the other thing.
Okay.
Yeah, drum roll. We had our second match, which was pre-quarters.
But it was knockout.
Yeah.
And we got knocked out.
Yeah.
Penalties.
We tried playing well, but then we had half the ground muddy and the other half dry.
How does
It
that
was just weird.
happen?
I have no freaking idea. The most peculiar part of it is the part which was dry had the most water when it rained.
Exactly.
It was like a
It's
rain.
Lake.
A freaking lake. Exactly. What did I say?
Rain.
Sorry. Okay. It was like a freaking lake. And the other part was like, I have no idea. It was as if some,
Wait, what are we
And-
talking about?
I don't know, the mud in the second
Okay,
part.
yeah.
Yeah, it was like an army stomp on the ground and then it rained. And so like there were loads of puddles. Yeah, it was like that. If you can imagine it, you have an amazing imagination. And then we had a match. It got to penalties and then we lost. So, and then we were very tired. We came back.
Yeah.
We had dinner.
And I got this really bad headache.
Yeah.
So bad.
And we said, let's do this shit. You still do that vlog.
Okay, this might not continue till tomorrow because when I said that, I was really hoping we would win and I really thought we would win.
Yeah.
But then we lost. So this might not happen once. I guess it's a 2-day thing.
But I have a surprise. So, as we said that we got really hyper during the part when it rained. So, I was thinking that maybe we could make one special video of all the highlights from today, pictures and everything from yesterday, and make a short, not vlog, but kind of thing for tomorrow.
Compilation.
Compilation of 2 days.
Yeah.
2 days summer in 1 day. So it's like a 3-day vlog, but not the 3rd day of vlog. Because I don't think you want to know what we do every day. It's like waking up, pooping and going to school.
Oh,
Not
look at my
interesting.
t-shirt. Look at my t-shirt though. What does it say? Sleep, eat and... Wait, no. Sleep, and eat again. Life motto.
Yay!
I need to complete my chemistry stuff.
I think we all need to do a lot of stuff.
Yeah, I'm so behind on schoolwork because... Okay, let's just add it to the football diaries as well.
Yeah.
The IIM and stuff. Okay. IIM basically is Indian
International Model
United
UN.
Nations.
I think we'll add okay, we'll add a link to it in this.
Yeah, we would in the description.
Yeah.
Just check it out. So it's really cool. It's nerdy fun.
It's not even nerdy at times, it's like just awesome.
Yeah, but it's so amazing.
Exactly, the people are just awesome. I think everybody needs to sleep now. We need to wake up early.
need to. And this has gotten really long.
Long, yeah. We don't want we don't want to scare away people. If you're still watching this,
we love you.
we love
Big
you a lot.
hugs.
Thanks.
Big hugs. I'm a hugger.
I'm not really one, but so you're cool.
Low battery, okay.
Yeah, even the phone's telling us to like, dude, shut up. We get you. Okay, so bye.